Hello everyone, welcome to English Grammar and Literature World. Today we are talking about some important questions from article. We have total 20 questions from article. So let's start today's class. Look at the first one. Shyam plays dash piano. So look, the word piano is a musical instrument. Before musical instrument, we always use article the. So Shyam plays the piano. Next, dash iron is dash hard metal. So look, iron is material. So we do not use any article before it. Understand? That's why option D, no article, should be the right answer. And before hard metal we have to use article A. Understand? So here A is the right answer. So option D, first of all no article and last one is A. So iron is a hard metal. Next, who invented dash microscope? So look, microscope. So microscope is a instrument, okay? And before any kind of invention we have to use article the. Understand? The. It would be microscope, telephone, radio, any kind of inventions. So option C, article the is the right answer. Next, dash Delhi is beautiful city. Look, Delhi is a proper noun, okay? And we cannot use any articles before proper noun. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata does not need any articles. So option D, no article, is the right answer, okay? Next, look at the fifth. This man is dash second Hitler. Look, here is a second, here is a Hitler. Who is Hitler? Hitler is a person, and we all know that Hitler is a very cruel autocrat, okay? So when the context of similar to, when similar to Hitler, actually in this sentence we are not talking about the real Hitler. Similar to Hitler, you can say Ram is similar to Rabindranath, Ram is similar to Subhash Chandra Bose, Ram is similar to M.K. Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. So in this case we have to use option A. So this man is a second Hitler. Next, I meet him at dash church. So look, church is a place for a specific purpose like prayer. So in this case we have to use article the. So I meet him at the church. Next, he is dash student of mathematics. So look, he is a student, okay? So student is a countable noun and here S is a consonant. That's why you have to use article A. Option A is the right answer. Next, I went to dash hospital to meet my friend. So look, here is a hospital. So hospital is a place and it suggests a specific place, okay? Specific place and a specific purpose. So we use option C, article the. So I went to the hospital to meet my friends. Next, dash bed is broken. Actually here bed is a countable noun and also it suggests a specific bed. Bed. So that's why we have to use article the, okay? The. So option C, the bed is broken. Next, please give me dash 5 rupee note. So look, 5 rupee note, okay? So here 5 rupee note is a singular note, okay? It's an aggregate or you can say singular. So it's like a group. Whenever we ask for one thing that is countable, so article A is the right answer. Okay, so please give me a 5 rupee note. Next, dash sun rises in dash east. So look, sun is a unique one. Okay, sun is unique, exist only one. So in this case we have to use article the. So the sun rises in dash east. East suggests direction. East, west, north, south always takes article the. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Next, he wrote his name at dash top of dash page. So look, we wrote his name at the top of the page. So top suggests a specific parts. Okay, also page is also specific parts. That's why article the is the right answer. So option C. Next, I will go there in dash morning. So look, here is a morning. So morning, evening, afternoon always takes article the. So I will go there in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. It is dash very useful book. So the word useful. Okay, here U is a vowel. Actually we need an, but look at the sound of useful. It look like u sound. Okay, u sound, which is a consonant. That's why we need not an, we need article a. Okay, so it is a very useful book. Next, do not make dash noise. So do not make a noise. Okay, so noise means single sound. That's why we need article a. Next, Ram is dash good boy. So look, here boy is one person and countable. Okay, boy is countable. When we describe someone using an adjective plus noun, we use a before it. So option A is the right answer. The dash European woman came to America. So look here, European, U is a vowel. Apparently it seems that we have to use an, but look at the sound of U. Okay, U sound, and the sound suggests it is a consonant. In this case we have to use article A. So option A is the right answer. A European woman came to America. Next, Mohan is dash NDA officer. So look, NDA. So N suggests consonant, but look at the sound, N, EN. So here N sound is vowel. So we need article N. So Mohan is an NDA officer. Next, I want to buy dash book. I want to buy a book because book is singular. So that's why article A is the right answer. Next, Shita is dash teacher. Look at the option A, option B an, option C the, or option D no article. So what is the right answer? You people tell me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.